Welcome to our channel. If you need to cancel a hotel reservation on booking.com, follow these step-by-step instructions to process the cancellation efficiently and check if you're eligible for a refund. Step 1. Open your web browser and visit booking.com. Log into your account using your email and password. Step 2. Click on your profile icon in the top right corner and select Bookings from the menu. Step 3. Locate the reservation you wish to cancel from your list of upcoming bookings. Step 4. Click on the reservation to open the booking details page and review the cancellation policy. Step 5. Check the cancellation deadline and any associated fees to understand if you will receive a full refund or be charged a penalty. Step 6. If you decide to proceed, click the Cancel Booking button on the page. Step 7. Confirm the cancellation by following the prompts and providing a reason if requested by booking.com. Step 8. After completing the cancellation, check your email for a confirmation message from booking.com. Save this email for your records in case you need to dispute any charges. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.